Hi, good afternoon, good evening, whatever. So, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to work on a data pages or how to call a database by using Dropdown. Okay, for that, we'll go with one practical. Let me go to Dev Studio. First, I'll run this case, create new vehicle insert. So the case is running. I'll simply go to address sections, directions, change days. So I'll go to address stage. Okay, submit it. So what will happen here? You can see this country, right? Here drop down is coming. We have achieved this by using report definition. Okay. So in state also, without entering manually, I want this kind of drop down here, but by using data pages. Okay. How to do it? I'll tell you in this video. Okay. For that, first we need to create one table called state. How to create a table? Go to data types, click on here, add data type, states. It can be states. Okay. Same name. Okay. I'll create it on organization class. So framework layer here, organization toolset. So we are working on creating states data table. Okay, it's also called state data type. Fine. Add field. What are the fields I'm going to add here? See, I'll add state code first. State code. Where is that? State code. Submit and add another. Okay. Submit and add another. What is the second one? State name I'll add. State name. Submit and add another. After that, I'll use country code because in this case type, where is that? See, in this case type, based on the country, I want state. So here we are filtering with the country code because we have used country code as the key value in country table. So I'll use same here. Okay, country code I'll go with. Submit and add another state name. After state name, we can go with country code. Submit. So three fields we have generated, right? So go to records, configure source. Here state code is our key value. After that I want state name, then country code. Okay, submit. Once it is created, we need to give the data. That's fine. Go to source. You need to give the source to this table, right? So records, export, file will be downloaded. Just open that file. I want state code, state name, country code. Remaining I'll delete. So this data I'll copy paste from here. I'll copy paste. Where is that? Done. I'll file. Save as. I'll save it in downloads. Okay. It should be CSV file as you know. Okay. Now import, choose file, downloads. Next, import. So data is imported now. Okay, see our data came now. We want this data at our UI level. So what we will do first, we will go to case type. Sorry, as we exported our data came into here. But after that, we need to create a report definition. Okay, or how to create a report definition? Data, the states. Go to this class, right click, create reports, report definition. States fetch by country. Why is not working for me? I'll copy. Something you can mention whatever the name, okay? It's not a big deal. Create and open. Dot state code dot state name. These two values I want. Okay, done. Save it. We need to remember we need to create our report definition on data class, not on work class. Right. Create report definition we have created. Then we need to create database. Database created under category of data model. Data model database. Same states fetch by country. Create and open. Page type or list type. We need to fetch the two details. So list type. Read only thread scope. The source must be report definition because from report definition we are calling. Go to Dropdown. States fetch by country report definition we are using. Okay. Done. Save it. We can fetch the values here itself. We can test it by using actions. Okay, I'll tell you. Actions, run it. Flush all instant. Okay, run. See, total 29 values are populated. Okay, so EX results 29. Right. So just close it. Now I want to open address section. Address section we have created under the category of data address. Okay, I'll open this. See, I'll tell you one more thing. Okay, while creating a database, like say, I'll show you states, right? If you open data model, the database state list is created, states per fetch by country is created, states is created. So by default, three data pages will be created. This one is state fetch by country we created. Okay. So, all right, I'll close one thing. So, where are we? Close, close. Fetch by country we created, but these three are created by default. State list type, page type, and savable data is also created. Okay, we can use it, but okay. Just to want to show you. So, where is our thing? I just want to see live UI. It is under the section of address combination, address section. Okay, address section is comes under address class. Okay, okay. I'll go with data address under data model, node data model. Okay, address section. This is address. Okay, uh, user interface. Go to user interface. Section. This one. Okay. What are the sections available? Address combination section is available. Go here. Double click here. Change to drop down. Go to drop down here. After drop down, include placeholder. Placeholder is just select state. Give something. Okay. Then list of source. Source should be database. So what database you need to call? Go to drop down. It will come. What is the database? Uh, State will come on. State fetch by country, right? State fetch by country. State fetch by country. This one. This is the database we are going to use. Okay. Property value for dot. Property for value dot state code. Property for display dot. This should be state name. Okay. This should be state name. For display, it should be state name. By using the state code, it needs to fetch. Okay. Submit. So no, cancel. We are done. Save. So now I'll go and create a case to test it. Okay. Take answer. So what will happen now? I'll show you the difference. Here what is the case type is coming? Now if we go to address section, I'll go to stage. Change stage. Go to address section here. Choose stage address. Okay, submit. Earlier it is asking you to enter the value. Now states are coming to select. Okay, you can select the states by using drop down. But I selected India here. If I select United States also, same state, all 29 states are coming. If I select another Canada, all 29 states are also coming. This is the drawback here. Because this Alberta, see, if I select India, Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra are related to India, but remaining Texas, Florida, New York, these all are coming, which are not related. Okay. So what to do now? Then the cascading uh, data is comes into picture. I'll tell you how to relate this by using key values in next video. I hope you understand this video. If not, let me know. I'll create it. Thank you. Bye bye. Tata. Goodbye.